Okay, everybody. So, welcome back. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace. I've had a couple questions in the last couple days. Today's the 28th of February, 2023, about curating content. I just added a new download to the free collection of resources that we have on curating content. So, you can download that at the link below. But I want to show you really quickly the difference between curating content, at least the way I do it, on something like Ghost versus something like WordPress. So, this is our WordPress uh, based mindful marketplace blog. I don't really use this a ton anymore, but when I do, it's usually to post links and share curated content. So this is curated, this is curated. I know you really can't see that from this particular perspective, but what I do is I use the Snacks plugin, which when you click on this here, it brings up this front end submission tab, and I essentially basically just use the link area here. So let's say if I just click on that and paste the URL, let's say I want to put an affiliate link. So I'm going to let's say I want to put an affiliate link to Circle, the community building platform, which I recommend as an affiliate. Actually, it just wants me to paste it in, so I'm just going to paste it. And it should bring up Circle's home. Let's see what it does. Okay, so it just brings up Circle's, homepage using my affiliate link, and then I would add some content here. Like, usually this would be a much more refined process. All right, and then you can either grab a file from a URL, or you could add a file, from your local machine. You can add an affiliate link again here. So I would do that. You can add tags, etc., and then you publish. It wants a featured image. So let's do it like this. It's a very, very basic piece of curated affiliate content, right? So if you click on this here, there's my affiliate link. Here's a little bit of excerpted content from Circle themselves. Here's the text you just saw me add. This particular plugin has the ability to add, votes, so people can vote up or down, and another affiliate link here. So, I mean, that buy now button is that extra little link I added. If you click on this, you'll see it'll go to Circle's homepage with my affiliate link on top. All right. That's basically how I use curated content on our Mindful Marketplace platform. All right. Now let's look really quickly at Ghost as a distinction with a significant difference, right? So this is a site that we're building. It's a local New Jersey based resort kind of directory that we're building. I'm actually not doing this myself. I have a virtual assistant who is doing this entire project. And I'll show you exactly, it's all curated content. And you can also see, by the way, that it's the same branded theme. So I have the same theme for our Mindful Marketplace community as I do or the same design template. So we're using a theme that is available on both, on both Ghost and WordPress, making this process very, very consistent with our branding, right? So all these sites can have the same general aesthetic. All right. So if I go into the back end here, this is all I really do to contribute to this project. I come up with the post titles, and then the VA does all the content curation. So let's see if I can pick one she's actually done something with, because we just started this. Let's see. Okay, so here's an example, right? So this is 7 delicious off-season lunch options for dining on Absecon Island. That's the post content that I contributed, right? And then what she does is goes and finds the things to recommend, right? So this was my post title, and this is all I do to contribute to this. And then she goes out into the world and then finds the content that we're curating, and then what we'll do before this actually goes live. And this is a resort in the summertime, so this is not going to be live for another month or so. But we'll embellish and add more depth and dimension to each of these posts with some funny comments, or ask for community comments, or make some other recommendations, etc., predicated on the things that are included in each post. So for an example, I would put something like, right? So that would be something that, that I would add. Let's update this. And I'm going to show you actually what the process looks like curating on Ghost versus WordPress. All right. So you saw what WordPress looks like, and you're seeing how I'm setting up the titles and what a what a post looks like once it has some content added. But this is actually how you do it, right? So, and it is different on Ghost. Ghost is a much prettier, more elegant, and enjoyable writing process. So I would write something like, 3, hair styling. What's the right? I mean, I would say like a barbershop, but that's probably not the right demographic for this. So bad hair day. Um, I'm showing how much of a dummy I am here. 3 hair salons in Ocean City. All right. This is clearly not the best title in the world, but you get the point. All right. So now let's go really quickly and shit. Wait, hold on. All right. Hair salons in Ocean City, New Jersey. I'm such a dummy. Salons, I know, is not the right phrase I'm searching for here, but I just, my brain just, kind of, bleeping out on me. All right. So let's, Julie's headquarters. I like the actual name. That's a clever name for a hair salon headquarters. All right. So let's go back into our post. And this is how you add the curated content on Ghost, right? So rather than what you saw me doing before, or at least the way I do it, there's probably other people who do it different ways, but the bookmark tab on Ghost is definitely the best way of adding curated content. All right, on WordPress, there are other options other than the thing I just showed you, but I think the plugin that I'm using, which is called Snacks, is probably the most effective way of doing this. All right, so let's find another hair salon. Here's this place here. And again, you want to do this with a little bit more discretion than the way I'm doing it. I don't know the best hair salons, but the person who's doing the curation